Hey, hi everyone. So one user has requested this Ab Initio use case question. So here we have given an input as xyz@gmail.com. You have hash and a question mark asterisk. Other some characters will be there. So you have to find the total length of the alphabetic character and then the last character itself. So you have to omit the last special character. So you don't have to omit and then dot symbol. So just you have to pluck out these last three characters and then you have to find the total length and then the last alphabetic character. So that's the use case here. So we'll find out which component to use. So normally like this is a row level transformation. So you have to here like we have given a one data field and then you have to be finding length field and then last character. So two fields will be there. So now to like modify fields, like we'll go for a reformat component. So I'll be filling the code up here. So you can refer the code. I'll just erase off the previous one. Okay. So we'll start with the first one. So first we'll just find the length of the string. Okay. So before we do that, we'll just filter out the special characters. Okay. So for filter out, you can use the functions. Okay, so you have to okay, you have to be aware of these things, okay, before you proceed. Okay, we have a string functions. You have to be strong with the string functions. So here we are going for a substring and then filter out. Okay, so these two are the important core for these for solving this question. So we'll just write the code right away now. So first I'm just declaring a string. So here I'm just declaring a string like which will filter out the last special characters. Okay, so I'll be like explicitly specifying the string characters, okay, to be filtered out. So here I'll be just putting a function and then in dot data. So we have a data field here, so comma, and then so what are the characters we need to filter out, okay, out from the out of the string. So that would be hash and then question mark and then asterisk. Okay, so these three characters will be filtered out from the input string. So remaining will get this one. Okay, I'll just write it in the comment here. Okay, so this one is a comment, so I'll just highlight. Okay, so STRE will be having this one. Okay, so now we'll just find the total total length of the string. Okay, so the filter out string is having a length of I think 13. Okay, so we'll just find out the length here. I'm just giving some variable lengths. Okay, so length of STRE. Okay, so this will have a 30. So this is a comment here. Okay, so yeah, now we'll find out. Now we'll see. Now we'll print the total length. Okay, so out dot length. So here like output length variable output variable is length. So here we'll see length and then we'll just define the last character. Okay, for that last character. So string substring, we'll use the string substring function to get okay, so here our filter string is STRE. So from this we are we are going to this position. Okay, we are going to the last position, which is 13, and then we are taking the one character. Okay, so these two lines are the core lines, which is enough for arriving our input. Okay, so 13 length would be, so this length would be 13 and then the last character would be M. Okay, so here we can, so this 4 lines. Okay, we can finish this use case with just 4 lines, and then this one is a easy use case question. Okay, so if you have come across any other questions which you feel difficult, please feel free to mail to this email ID. So we'll just solve it for you, and then we'll just see like another use case question, like probably like easy or complex one. So it depends on the user request. Okay, so we'll just see you. I will just see you guys in the next video. Okay, until then, bye bye.